In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit this logo reveal animation in After Effects. So here we are in After Effects and let's edit this template. Let's import our logo. Here my logo, and I'm going to drag and drop in my project. Go to logo composition here and drag and drop your logo here. Let me check. You can see the logo is here. I'm going to adjust the logo position and logo size. Yes, looks perfect. Let's edit the text. Yes, text is customized. Let me check the render. Yes, as you can see, the logo reveal template is successfully customized with my logo. I'm going to render this. Go to composition and add to render queue.